hayi uSibiya man uphithizela kakhulu for someone who's innocent. Like man uphithizela kakhulu man. Yazi when uGeneral Mkhwanazi made their allegations, uSibiya came on a public platform. Wakhuluma indlela akhuluma ngayo ukuthi if he has proof, he must provide what. Then it was silent. Then makuthiwe ama-dockets abuyele back to General Mkhwanazi. Uye futhi usakhuluma, hayi uSibiya man, no. For someone ongenzanga next, hayi uphithizela kakhulu. Ukuphithizela kwakhe sekuyasolisa man. He then fought ukuthi he must be taken back to his position. He is that guy ngisho na whoever usebenza naye uyazisola ukuthi besenzani, cause no, for someone ongenzanga next, I have to say ukuthi uSibiya uphithizela too much and sekaqala ukuba suspicious manje the way aphithizela ngakhona. Why angavela agoqa izandla Thuli? Angithi uyiphoyisa, so he must know ukuthi isandla somthetho sizohlala sithatha indawo yaso. So why angagoqa izandla Thule and trust the system le yena ayisebenzelayo? Why doesn't he trust leyo system leyo, and then it will prove his innocence? Hayi man, yo. And